The bird's eye view camera lets the driver view the vehicle's surroundings. It displays a true panoramic, seamless single image in high definition in overhead and moving views. Using 4 cameras, one on the front, one on each side mirror, and one in the rear of the vehicle, the system displays an overhead image of the vehicle and the area around it to help assist when parallel parking, pulling in and out of tight spaces, or just navigating at slow speeds around objects. The system will operate when the vehicle is on, the transmission is in park, and park assist is turned on. Pressing the bird's eye view button above the display will project a 360-degree moving view of the vehicle and its surroundings. Selecting the pause button on the screen will pause the moving view. Select play to resume. The on-screen button in the lower left of the screen activates the see-through moving view. It can also be paused and played as well. When the vehicle is shifted into reverse, the system displays an overhead view of the vehicle and its surroundings on the right of the screen. On the left of the screen, the area behind the vehicle is displayed. This is the guideline button. Selecting it allows you to customize the guidelines in the rear view to static, no lines, or dynamic. If equipped with wide rear view, you can change the view by selecting the display mode button in the lower left of the screen. And the display will change to a wide view of the area behind the vehicle. Pressing it again changes it to a full screen wide rear view. If equipped with intuitive parking assist, the system will display an image in the upper right for the driver to monitor the vehicle's proximity to the vehicle's surroundings. Shifting into drive or neutral and pressing the bird's eye view button once will change the display to the wide front view and an overhead 360-degree view. When you're not moving, pressing on any of the 4 corners of the overhead view allows you to zoom in and see objects more clearly. Pressing on the overhead view again returns you to the zoomed-out view. Pressing the bird's eye view button again will change the display to side views of the vehicle. The side view shows the area at the side of the vehicle and is helpful when pulling over or passing an oncoming vehicle on a narrow road. You cannot adjust the guidelines in this view. Selecting the Auto button lets you set the system to automatic mode. When the vehicle is in drive, reverse, or neutral, and at a speed below 6 miles per hour, the front or rear view, along with the overhead view, will automatically appear. And pressing the bird's eye view button a 3rd time will turn the system off.
It uses 4 cameras, one on each side of the vehicle, to display an overhead view of the vehicle's surroundings on the navigation display screen when parked, starting off,